this quick overview of multi-channel customer interaction management, we'll use a story to illustrate how Swyft technology can turn multiple interactions with your customers across a variety of channels into a seamless conversation. The Swyft Interaction Hub helps you create a closed-loop marketing cycle for your customers and helps you manage communications no matter how your customers choose to interact with your brand. During this overview, we'll show you how using Swyft technology to optimize your interactions can improve your customer's experience as well as your efficiency and profitability. So, let's get into the story. First, let's meet the customers. Sarah and Ben are newlyweds, and like many newly married couples, they have a home and are starting a family. They also both have cars that are insured through InsureCorp. Now let's meet InsureCorp. InsureCorp is a multi-line insurance company, and they use Swyft Technology's multi-channel interaction management platform to integrate their inbound and outbound marketing efforts. One of the goals at InsureCorp is to cross-sell products to their existing customers to increase customer value and loyalty using their existing marketing automation infrastructure, plus the customer data they have collected about Sarah and Ben. The Swyft Interaction Hub recommends InsureCorp make an offer to Sarah and Ben for new life insurance policies. InsureCorp mails a postcard introducing a special offer to new parents for increased life insurance coverage. Ben checks the mail and recognizes the personalized offer as something relevant to their life right now, and they decide to respond to the direct mail offer by dialing the 1-800 number listed on the card. As Sarah dials into InsureCorp's IVR, the Swyft Interaction Hub begins analyzing the call and determines that this call is from Sarah. The Swyft Interaction Hub recognizes that Sarah has been mailed a postcard, identifies this as an opportunity, and immediately redirects the call to the appropriate agent. Swyft determines that the agent to take Sarah's call is Thomas, and the call is routed to him. Simultaneously, Swyft provides Thomas with a universal profile of Sarah, including interactions she has had in other channels, as well as information about the postcard she was mailed and some selling information about that particular offer. Once he's online with Sarah, Thomas has all the right information about the specific life insurance offer and how the offer should be sold to Sarah based on what InsureCorp knows about her. For example, since Sarah is young, newly married, and expecting a child, the agent knows to offer a different type of life insurance than if she were in a different stage of her life. Sarah is interested in the offer, but has some final questions that are best handled by a one-on-one appointment with a field agent from InsureCorp. Accessing Swyft technology, Thomas is able to identify the closest agent in the field and alert the agent to the real-time lead. Using the power of Swyft's multi-channel platform, InsureCorp can instantly direct the lead to the field agent and monitor the activity across every channel in real time. From his desktop, Thomas has assigned the lead to David, the field agent that works in the territory that surrounds Sarah's neighborhood. David gets an alert on his smartphone that Sarah, a new lead in his territory, is requesting an appointment and will like a call to schedule a time to meet. Using Swyft for mobile, David accesses all of the information that is relevant to this lead and the specific offer that she is interested in. He has Sarah's contact information and has access to the notes entered by Thomas that give him all the information that Sarah has already shared. He also has access to detailed driving directions to her preferred meeting address. David and Sarah agree on a good time to have the appointment, and David drives to her preferred location. Sarah, Ben, and David discuss all the options available with the special life insurance offer. The offer is relevant to Ben and Sarah, and they realize that this is coverage they truly need at this stage of their lives. David answers the remaining questions, and the offer is accepted. Since David uses Swyft for mobile, he can immediately communicate that the offer is accepted, triggering the necessary steps back at the home office to make this transaction complete. Back at the home office, Marie from underwriting support receives a real-time alert that a life insurance offer has been accepted. Using the information collected so far, she sets up all of the necessary steps for Sarah and Ben to complete the underwriting process, including chain of custody forms sent to the local testing lab and physical forms sent to Sarah and Ben's family doctor. So let's recap what we've learned during the story. Swyft helped InsureCorp provide a great customer experience while staying more efficient. personalized their interactions across every customer channel, targeted their customers with relevant offers, streamlined the transition from one agent to the next, created consistency across the channels that the customer prefers, and navigated a workflow to ensure a perfect execution. Ben and Sarah experienced a process that incorporated the information they've already shared during each and every interaction with InsureCorp. They've had a great experience because they didn't have to repeat themselves. They received relevant offers, and the process was timely and effective. Thanks for taking the time to listen to our story. This is just one example of how the Swyft Interaction Hub can improve multi-channel customer interactions. What are the ways customers interact with your organization? We invite you to give us your toughest scenario and let us show you how Swyft technology can help improve your customer interactions.